is, new saltwater planer bobber. Saltwater 7-Eleven. Unboxing. Then we got the first fish on the planer bobber there. It's an undersized trout, but it's a trout. Beautiful fish. Caught by Randy. See the pretty speckles all over it. First saltwater fish on planer bobber. Awesome. Fish on. What you got there? Oh, trout.
Another trout. He's almost a keeper size too.
Well, they gotta be 15.
I don't know.
That's a much bigger one. Yeah, I think it's 15
know.
inches.
Nice size trout.
Nice trout.
Nice.
Pretty. Beautiful trout. Planer bobbers. Saltwater. Yeah.